Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks, on a short week. You gotta love it. Let's make it a great one. Don't make assumptions. Ask for what you want. Find the courage to ask for what you want. Others have the right to tell you yes or no, but you always have the right to ask. Likewise, everyone has the right to ask you for what they want, and you have the right to say yes or no. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 58, NASDAQ off 5, S&P's down 2.5, gold contract down $1.50, trading at $12.01 an ounce. Silver flat, $14.06 an ounce. Light sweet crude flat, $67.81 a barrel. Notes and bonds, they're down. They got them down with some volume here. We are down 17 ticks in the 10-year, trading 119.20. 30 years down a full point, 143.12. King dollar up 357 ticks, trading 95.345. The euro is at 115.62 to $1 US. The yen is trading at 111 to $1 US. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We take a look at the SPY. You get a sideways market out here. You're down 37 cents in the SPY, trading 12.87. Now, to get in the lower range, folks, you actually got to get down somewhere about the 12.86 to 12.85 level. That being said, what you are going to have out here is that you basically have an expansion of volume coming off these highs. The range, well, actually, no, the lower range is 286.62. That's where we're at, 286.62. We actually get down to 286.71 today. NDX 100, the 3 Qs. We take a look at the 3 Qs. 3 Qs right now are trading down 15 cents, sideways move. That is on the daily. We put this on the weekly, and what you're going to see on the weekly now, this is you're coming off the high with volume. Now, when you come off a high with volume, bottom line, you can get a larger correction. That's how this is shaking out. We're at 181.66. That's not necessarily in the lower range. It's under the spike that we had from the 27th of July, the week of the 27th, but realistically, the Qs have to get, I would say, to get inside the lower range, you're talking 177, because the Qs have been going up for quite some time. The composite, the NASDAQ composite out here is 79.17. Now this, I believe, is in the lower range. Let's see, 79.23. Oh, it's so close. So picture this. This is more of an art than just. It's not a it's not a binary deal, folks. When you're going from one range to a second range, particularly when you have a couple spikes in between it, but. To cut to the chase, 78.67 to 79.23 is the number. And right now we're at 79.18. So you can make the case that, yeah, you're in the lower range slightly. We'll see if that's where we're going to end up closing out. Let's go take a look at the oil contract out here. So we take a look at this oil contract. Crude oil trading flat out here today. You're at $67.79. That being said, what you are doing here, I suspect we're going to start building cars to get into this $63 area. We take a look at this, and if you did put this on a weekly basis, what you're going to see is that you came down with some big volume, man. I mean, there was volume out here this week inside the oil market. If we go take a look at the XLE, you'll see the XLE also had volume on the way down. Right now, this is a sideways market, down 16 cents, but you are hammering the swing low that it's going after, and you do have an expansion of volume. What you want to remember, when you're doing these volume stats this week, you got to add a day of volume because we were closed on Monday. Notes and bonds. Let's go to the 30-year bond first. We take a look at the 30-year bond. 30-year bond right now is down a full point. We have done 354,000 contracts. Bottom line is that you do have price spread with this baby. So the real question, oh, look at that. Okay, it's not going to be an ABC down, though. That's good news. Your B point on this has 383,000 contracts, and we're at 354. We won't do 30,000 contracts coming into the close. The bond market itself, what tends to happen is that the bond market is very active intraday. 2:30 it starts slowing down. But we just see out here all the movement was this morning when the jobs number come out. Bottom line, good jobs number, good growth number, good all of the above. And what that did, of course, is that that brought the Fed Fund futures up to the 70%. Oh, this is kind of cool. It backed off again. So this morning we're basically 96%. That our next Fed meeting, folks, is on the 26th of September. The following one is in November. In November, the market does not expect the Federal Reserve to go up on short-term rates. Right now, it's at 3.6%. December 19th, however, bottom line is that we're at 66%. We were at 60%. We were 59% at the beginning of the week. Got up to 60, 61. Was at 70% this morning, and now that basically selling off a bit. And that is a tradable vehicle, meaning that people are putting trades on as to the aspect: are there going to be a short-term rate hike or not? Some of the higher volume equities out here today, we have, we got to do Tesla, right? Tesla's the number. Tesla's a mess, folks. Bottom line is that they're bailing out of Tesla. 20 million shares on the way down. You're going after a swing point it's already a high volume swing point of $244. We pull this back. What you're going to see now, what you're going to have is this. I mean, this high volume low is sticking out like a sore thumb. It was the week of April 6th. The number is $244.59. Now, the bottom line is that we didn't hit it this week. That is problematic in a huge way for owners of Tesla, because when you start barreling into a swing point and then you don't break it and you're down all week and you get an expansion of volume, that's the whole deal of building cars. Sleeps over the weekend, wakes up Monday. You get 2 days for Tesla to basically, for Musk to basically talk, walk, squawk, and then the market opens and they take him south once again. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.
Hi, folks.